young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man, cause you are in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy. Young man, there's a place you can go. And you said, young man, when you're short and you're dull, you can stay there.
I can stay there.
I mean, ways to have a good time. But to say, at the YMCA is fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young. Hindi ba pa?
Malayo ba?
Fun to stay at the YMCA is fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel.
You can see what you want.
Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, what do you want to be? I said, young man, you can make your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. No man does it all by myself. I said, young man,
Kill me.
put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure they can help you today. It's fun to stay at YMCA. It's fun to stay at YMCA. It's fun to stay at YMCA. They have everything for
Okay.
you, men. Puta, wala nang matapos sa akin.
Yeah, matapos-tapos eh. Dapat seryoso. 35 tuloy dito yung level. Huwag kang kagaya sa akin.
Baka makahanap ako ng kanta
Seven.
dito.
Makahanap na ako ng tumatakot sa
Nahanap ko kasi yung ano, Jinga Bag. Yun na lang yan.
Ito na lang, kakantahin ko. Matulog ka na.
Puti.
Hindi nga ito kakantahin ko. Yan. This song is dedicated to the girls that gonna go to sleep.
Yeah, the girls.
Hear me so clearly and see how I tried. You feel me, so heal me and tear me apart. And I won't tell a soul. I won't tell at all.
Sit there.
And do they have to know about my good night girl? Counting everything well, but this is seven.
Oh, yung kantang nahanap ko.
Ayaw na to.
Jinga Bag.
Okay, I'll
Ito
stop
na,
this
ito na.
song. I'll cancel it because it's not
It's been cancelled again.
it's not good anymore.
Ay, bali pala yung pindot ko.
No, may mic
8645.
86:45.
Ito yung nahanap.
Okay, this song is Christmas song. Jingle bell rock. Okay, game.
Game. Ready, get set, go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, yeah. Yung ba yun?
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Hindi pa ata.
Jingle bell
oh yeah.
rock. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rock.
rock.
Jingle bells swing
and jingle bells ring.
Snowing
And blowing up bunches of fun. Now the jingle bell have
Dalawang
begun.
itlog.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time
To go
to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, feet, horse your feet. Jingle bell round the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingle bell beat. That's a jingle bell, that's a jingle bell, that's a jingle bell rock.
Yeah.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Ya la la la, What a bright time is the right time to
Rock the night away!
Jingle bells is a wailing time. Di ko na alam ang gliding in a horse sleigh.
Wow.
And I was jingle bell way in the jingle bell way.
Oh! What a score!
Jingle
Perfect
bells sing and
10!
jingle bell ring, snowing and blowing up rushes of fun.
Nawalak sa daan.
Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingle bell beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock.
Jingle bell! Jingle bell! Jingle bell rock! Jingle bell rock! Hindi naman tinapos na naman.
Tapos tayo.
Okay, the song is been cancelled again.
Everything cancelled.
Everything is cancelled. Yan!
Ito pala yung mga kanta mo.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse sleigh.
All the trees will go, laughing all the way. Bells on top the tree,
Nagganun pa
make it
kasi.
sweet and bright. But my need is trying to sing a sleigh song tonight. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All what fun is to ride in a one-horse sleigh. Hey, jingle bell away. All what fun
Ay, pinakamalapit na outlet.
Yan.
Yan.
Been cancel again.
Okay, it's been cancelled again.
Score ko 5. Number 6 lang.
Ito, hindi tayo pwede sa tanggalan ng kampiyon. Tanggalan kayo ng kampiyon. Gusto niyo bang kumain?
Oh.
Okay.
Receive her gift.